Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, melasma, also known as the mask of pregnancy. This common skin condition can affect anyone, but it's especially prevalent in women during pregnancy or after childbirth. It's characterized by brown patches on the face, neck, or arms, often in areas exposed to the sun. Now, while melasma is harmless, it can be quite distressing. But fear not. Today we're revealing 6 powerful home remedies using natural herbs that can help fade the appearance of these patches and bring back your radiant glow. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Let's get started. Our top herb for today is aloe vera, renowned for its soothing properties. This humble plant has been used for centuries to treat skin conditions, and its effectiveness in treating melasma is truly remarkable. Rich in antioxidants and enzymes, aloe vera helps reduce inflammation and protect against harmful UV rays. To harness its power, apply fresh aloe vera gel to the affected areas twice daily. Consistency is key, so make this a part of your daily routine for best results. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to show your support. Your engagement means the world to us. Second on our list is the mighty turmeric. This golden spice is not just a culinary delight, but a powerhouse for skin health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities are crucial in tackling melasma by reducing pigmentation and promoting an even skin tone. You can incorporate turmeric into your routine by applying a paste of turmeric and water to the affected areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. For a more convenient approach, consider using a turmeric face mask once or twice a week. Remember, safety first. Always do a patch test before applying any new substance to your skin. Now let's talk about a real game changer in the world of skincare, oxalic acid. Derived from barley or wheat, oxalic acid is a fantastic option for treating melasma. It works wonders in reducing melanin production, the pigment responsible for those pesky dark spots. You can find oxalic acid in various skincare products. Look for creams or serums containing this ingredient and follow the instructions provided. Consistency is vital when using oxalic acid. So stick to a regular application schedule to witness its full potential, and if you're finding this information helpful, please show your support. Your support keeps us motivated to create more valuable content for you. Let's now shift our focus to a remedy that's as simple as it is effective, apple cider vinegar. This common household ingredient is a true multitasker when it comes to skincare. Diluted apple cider vinegar can be applied to the affected areas using a cotton swab twice a day. Its acidity helps exfoliate the skin, revealing a brighter, more even complexion. Just a word of caution, apple cider vinegar can be strong, so it's essential to dilute it properly to avoid any irritation. Patch testing is also recommended before applying it to larger areas of your face. Now let's explore a remedy that's perfect for those who prefer a more natural approach, green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants known as catechins, which are particularly effective in combating melasma. These compounds help inhibit tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin production. To reap the benefits, apply a cool compress of green tea bags to the affected areas for 10 to 15 minutes, doing this twice a day. You can also consider drinking green tea regularly to further support your skin health from within. So if you're enjoying our video and find it informative, don't forget to show your support. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you more valuable content. Last but certainly not least, lemon juice, a true vitamin C powerhouse. This zesty liquid is excellent for brightening the skin and fading melasma patches. Lemon juice contains citric acid and abundant vitamin C, both of which work to inhibit melanin production and promote an even skin tone. To use lemon juice effectively, apply it topically to the affected areas twice daily. You can use cotton swabs for precise application. Just remember to follow it up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. However, due to its high acidity, it's important to dilute lemon juice before applying it to your face. A good rule of thumb is to mix 1 part lemon juice with 1 part water before use. This will help prevent any potential irritation or discomfort. Additionally, always do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it more broadly. While these home remedies are fantastic, it is important to remember that everyone's skin is unique and what works for one person may not work for another. Be patient with your chosen remedy, giving it at least 4 to 6 weeks to see noticeable improvements. If you're still struggling with melasma, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional or a dermatologist. They can provide personalized advice and potentially prescribe stronger treatments if necessary. And here's an extra bonus tip for all of you. Did you know that certain foods can actually contribute to the formation of melasma? Foods high in estrogen, such as soy products, can sometimes trigger or worsen melasma symptoms. That's because estrogen plays a role in melanin production while enjoying these foods. Occasionally is fine, it's best to consume them in moderation to keep your skin looking its best. We've come to the end of our journey through 6 incredible herbs that offer natural solutions for melasma. Remember, while these remedies are incredibly effective, consistency is key. Stick to a regular routine and give your chosen remedy time to work its magic. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these remedies or have you discovered others that have worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please show your support. Your engagement means the world to us and keeps us inspired to create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out on our future videos. Thanks for joining us today. Stay healthy and naturally beautiful.